In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack in 2026. Let's dive in and explore how to make the most out of this essential communication tool. First, you'll want to open either your Slack application on your desktop or access it via your preferred web browser. You can simply go to slack.com and log in with your credentials. If you don't have a Slack account yet, no worries. Signing up is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions to get started. Once you're in, you'll notice the fresh, user-friendly layout designed to boost your productivity. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted by your Slack Workspace, which is your central hub for collaboration. Here, you'll see the sidebar on the left, where all your workspace channels and direct messages are housed. Channels are organized spaces for different topics or projects, and they can either be public, where anyone in your workspace can join, or private, for more restricted communication. To create or join a channel, navigate to the Channels section and click the plus icon. From there, just follow the prompts to either find a channel or set up a new one. Remember to name your channels clearly to ensure everyone knows their purpose at a glance. Now let's talk about sending messages. Slack keeps conversations organized in threads, making it easy to follow discussions and keep your communication clutter-free. Click into any channel or direct message thread to start a conversation. When typing a message, you can take advantage of Slack's formatting options by clicking on the formatting icon to make your text bold, italicized, or even turn it into a list. Slack also allows you to attach files, share code snippets, or insert emojis to add a personalized touch to your messages. For quicker access, take note of the shortcut commands within the application. Slack isn't just about chatting, it's packed with features to enhance your workflow. At the top of the workspace, you'll spot the search bar. This powerful tool lets you quickly sift through all messages, files, and channels, helping you find exactly what you need in seconds. Integrating bots and apps can elevate your Slack experience. You can connect Slack with other tools like Google Drive, Trello, or Zoom. Head over to the Apps section in your sidebar to browse available integrations. Setting these up typically involves a few simple authentication steps. Notifications are your tool for staying updated without being overwhelmed. Customize these by clicking your profile picture and navigating to Preferences. Here, you can set alerts for specific keywords or choose to mute notifications outside work hours. Customizing your notifications ensures you're always in the loop at your desired level of engagement. By now, you should have a good grasp of the essentials to thrive in Slack. Keep exploring the platform. The more you use it, the more efficient your collaboration will become. Thanks for watching, and happy Slacking.